Say it, in English.
Gerunds. What are gerunds? Gerunds are verb forms that function as nouns in a sentence. Gerunds are formed by adding ing to the base form of the verb. For example, fishing, working, and gardening. The basic sentence pattern in English is subject plus verb plus object. Subjects and objects are usually nouns, but gerunds can also function as the subject or object of a sentence. For example, in the sentence, he likes swimming, the gerund swimming is the object of the sentence. In the sentence, running is fun, the gerund running is the subject of the sentence. How do we know when to use gerunds in English? There are 3 basic rules for using gerunds in English. Some verbs are always followed by a gerund. Common verbs followed by a gerund are discuss, enjoy, finish, keep, practice, quit, recommend, and suggest. For example, they suggested playing golf this weekend. Jack enjoys painting in his free time. The subject of a sentence is usually a gerund. For example, riding a bike is a great way to relax. Skiing takes a lot of practice. After a preposition, we usually use a gerund. He is interested in gardening in his free time. He thought about working from home on Fridays. Look at the sentence and the word provided. Use a gerund to complete each sentence. Singing always cheers me up. John considered moving to a new house. I enjoy reading a book. Reading helps improve your vocabulary. In addition to studying, he works part-time.
This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to practice what you've learned today. If you have any questions or need more practice, leave a comment below. And be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational videos. See you next time.